What we have here is a broken weed eater. As you can see, the assembly here is cracked. Here and here. So the first thing we want to do is, well, let's make sure that the motor works. Yep, motor works. See if we can attempt to fix this with some Bevis Technology. Spread a little of this epoxy on here. So we're going to bring these two pieces together here. Another screw in here. Now we're going to flip it over. There we go. Looks pretty good there. There we go. Here we have it. Got my sheet metal all screwed in there. And wait for the epoxy to dry.